So, how to build smart websites that talk with GoHighLevel. Now, this is a really cool theme because a lot of people are right now building smart AI websites that talk with other platforms, and I'm going to show you how to do this with GoHighLevel. Now, what a smart AI website is essentially a website that it has automations behind, right, in the backend, and also a website that you integrate AI and people can go and talk with that AI, whether that's a voice AI or a conversation AI on the website. So first thing, when you go in GoHighLevel, obviously if you don't have GoHighLevel, you can check out our 30-day free trial link in the description. But if you go right in GoHighLevel and if you go to websites, you would be able to see this beta feature build with AI. Now this is something really cool because not only can we build smart AI websites, we can build them in a much faster way. So we go here, build with AI, and when we click on build with AI, we would be able to describe to the AI in GoHighLevel what we want from a website. And this is extremely important that your website is conversion based because if you're just building a website just to look good, this is so 2012, right? It's not 2026. So we're living in 2026. You need to have a website that will be conversion based, okay? So in this case, let's say we are a marketing agency, Fuel Your Digital. This is our marketing agency. The business niche is going to be a marketing agency. The goal of the website page is going to be to book appointments. The target audience is going to be small businesses. And what are you offering? I'm offering free consultation, as you can see. So this right here is all conversion based, right? I want to book appointments. I'm a marketing agency. I'm going to target small businesses, and my offer is free consultation. So most businesses don't know how to set this up. So if you're a business, if you're watching this, you don't have to go through all of these trials and errors and all the other platforms. You can just use GoHighLevel for this. So we hit generate here, and obviously we will need to wait a little bit time. As you can see, the AI is currently thinking. It's going through the process, planning out the pages, and from there we would be able to get the entire website pretty much in a couple of seconds. And as you can see, we've got the website, we got everything. The images are AI generated. We can always go and change the images if we want. So as you can see, we can click on the image, we can go here and we can change it if we want. We have expertise right here. So this is essentially what we've got. Now, if you don't like anything, you can always go and you can add certain things. Now, what's really cool is we can add a form here. So a form, we can click here to add a new form, and we can basically go and edit this form right on this spot. So we can click here and we can go right into the form and edit the form. So I will show you also how to automate this form. But as you can see, this is the form. And let's say someone submits this form on a website. You can also automate this form so that they get immediately an email or an SMS. But I'm going to show you this later on. Let's say we want to save this. Okay, we're going to save this right here. And let's say this is the form for our free consultation. What we can do right now is we can publish this. Um, as you can see, we obviously need to purchase the domain for this. So one cool thing about GoHighLevel is you can go in here and you can connect your domain or purchase it inside GoHighLevel, which is cool. Before you didn't have that chance, but right now we have that chance. So I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to save. Yeah, here you can also see it's also SEO optimized right from the get-go, which is really cool. So we update the SEO metadata here. Okay, from there, we obviously, again, save. We can preview the website here if we want. And as you can see, this is the entire website. Okay, so it's, again, conversion based. It doesn't have to look even that, that beautiful. It just needs to get the job done. From there, we go back here and we can go to AI agents and to voice AI. Now, we're going to skip this for now, but one really cool thing is if you go on our channel and if you watch how to set up voice AI, you would be able to see exactly the process from A to Z on how to set up a voice AI agent. Why do you need to know this? Because in order for you to integrate this on a website, you need to first set it up. But essentially, once you set it up, you will have it right here. Let's say our AI agent is Maya here. We go to our sites, I think. and we go to chat widget, and here we can create a chat widget which talks pretty much. So we go to voice AI, and we can integrate that voice AI agent on our website. How cool is that? I mean, that's pretty cool. As you can see, it's right here. And if we click on it, people can actually call this AI agent, voice AI agent, and they can talk right on the website, which, not many people and not many businesses are using this already. So what you can do is you can go to styles, you can change the style, obviously, enable custom greeting, stuff like that. Chat window, you have chat window, messaging, you have agent, and then here we can select the agent. As you can see, we talked about our AI agent called Maya, so we click on Maya, and we can even change this if we want. This is this right here, this text. And if you want to get the code right here, which we need a code, then what we want to do is we want to go to, I think it's right here, additional options, agency branding. So if you want, you can add agency branding. You can add your website. We're going to skip that for now. And we're going to save and get the code here. Okay. So as you can see, this is the code. We can copy this and we can go back. Okay, let's copy this. We can go back here and we can go on our website. So how do you add this on a website? You go to your sites, you go to websites, recent. So this is the most recent one. We go edit. As you can see, this is our website. But if we go to settings, this is where we can put body tracking code or head tracking code. Now, as you can see right here, we can obviously add a body tracking code right here, but I do have one thing, which is a chat widget here. So you can actually add it like that. So you don't have to paste the code. But if you're doing on a WordPress or any other platform, you need to paste the code. So we hit save. And once we hit save, we would be able to save this and go here. Let's see if we have a chat widget. We should have it here, as you can see. And if we call here, let's test it out. Allow.
Hey, this is Maya from Maximos AI. How can I help you today?
Hey Maya, what is your offering?
We help businesses capture more leads, automate follow ups, and book appointments, saving time and boosting efficiency. What's your biggest challenge right now? Lead generation, follow ups, or something else?
So as you can see, this is how it works. And you can always talk here again, right? This is just, I just wanted to show you the test, which is really cool. Now, if you want to make this AI website even more smarter, you can obviously add the form, as I said, and you can automate the form. So how you're going to do that is we go to automation. You need to know the form name, by the way. To know the form name, you need to go to sites, and from here you can go to forms, and then here we have a form. We just click on forms, and here we can see the most recent form, so it's form 17. So you can always change the form name by clicking on the form and then going here and changing the name to, let's say, test tutorial. This is what we're going to do. And then let's say we want to automate this. So anytime someone goes on a website, we automate this. We go to automation, we create a workflow. We start from scratch here. And we go here. The trigger is going to be form submitted. And we can add a form. So form is going to be form 17. It still haven't updated, but we go with form 17 and we go save trigger. So whenever that form is submitted, we can go here and we can add an SMS, for example. So we can send an SMS to that particular lead, like for example, hey, and then we can say, hey, first name. So hey John, I just saw you're interested in, whatever. And you can do that right here. You can even write with AI, which is really cool. So GoHighLevel really makes this stupid simple, how I would like to say, because everything is pretty much dumbed down for anyone. Like literally, even someone that goes right in first day can learn this. And we can publish this if we want, and then we can hit save, and then that would be able to work. You can even test your workflow to see if it works. You can select the contact here. But this is pretty much how you can build smart AI websites, which no one is currently building, especially for their business. I mean, this is really, really crucial if you want to have more engagement from your customers and to obviously convert more customers or viewers, visitors into customers. So if you want to see more videos around this, I've done a lot on our channel. And also check out 30-day free trial on Go High Level if you want to test all of these things, for your business in the future or right now. And comment down below what is the favorite thing from this particular video that you've experienced. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.